Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction update of my client from Japan who bought a corner Abigail unit here in Madonna Residences located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So itong garage part ang ginagawa nila the last time that we were here, yung concrete part and then yung cemented part din ng garage ang ginagawa nila. And today, pagbalik namin, tapos na siya. And also yung mga roof eaves, yan yung white sa taas, yan yung roof eaves. So, tapos na rin sila nag-i-install. And then, this is the lanai part. Ang kagandahan nitong unit is yung lanai natin is facing the main road. So, may view siya of the subdivision. So, if you also like a corner Abigail unit, meron pa po tayong natitirang isa in phase 2. So, price niya is 8,436,000 pesos. So, reserve nyo na po kasi nag-iisa na lang pong corner unit po ito. Kasi after that, phase 1 na po tayo na corner unit nasa 9.5 na po ata if I'm not mistaken. So, kunin nyo na po yung nasa phase 2. So, paunahan na lang po tayo sa pagre-reserve. So, if interested po, just message us so we can assist you better. So, inuulit ko po, paunahan na lang po sa pagre-reserve kasi iisang unit na lang po ang natitira. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts, namely Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Have a nice day, homeowners. See you soon!